my name is Aline. I'm an environmental health researcher, and here are 5 ways that the environment impacts human health and medicine. First example is wildfire smoke exposures, because exposure to wildfire smoke can lead to both short-term and long-term health impacts. The short-term health impacts can look like asthma-related emergency department visits being increased after a wildfire smoke incident, and long-term health impacts include increased risk of cancer. Second example is infectious disease, because as our climate continues to change and our environments change as well, that impacts our waterways and water systems, and that can lead to increased cases of malaria and dengue because it's allowing for the breeding of mosquitoes in new territories. A third example is hurricane-related events, because post-hurricane, there are numerous impacts that have been studied, such as the impact on mental health, as well on flooding and infrastructure, such as impacting the quality of drinking water available. A fourth example is extreme heat, which has impacts on emergency department visits in terms of quantity, but also acuity. And in addition, there's also impacts on crime, mental health outcomes, but also too that heat does not impact everyone the same, and it particularly impacts vulnerable populations. Fifth is what most of my research is in, which is air pollution exposures, which can occur both in urban cities, but also rural farmland or agricultural areas. And that has impact again on cancer rates, on asthma, on mental health, and so many more organ systems. I hope from this video you were able to see how interconnected environment and health are together, and maybe I'll make a part 2 about how health impacts environment. Happy learning!